Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 11 easily. Let's get started. First of all, open Google Chrome or any other browser on your computer. Now go to the official website, just type kali.org in the search bar and hit enter. Once the website opens, click on the download option from the top menu. Now scroll down the page until you see the section for VirtualBox Images. Here, click the download button under the VirtualBox option. This will start downloading the Kali Linux VirtualBox file. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file and install it by following the on-screen instructions. The installation process is simple. Just keep clicking Next and then Finish when it's done. Finally, open VirtualBox and you'll see Kali Linux ready to use on your Windows 11 system. That's it. You've successfully installed Kali Linux on Windows 11.